dogs on tour.
Yeah, I've got that for you.
Hold on, Maxton. You're going round inspecting bikes for cleanliness. Just say hello.
I like to make sure my travelling partners are up to scratch.
Right, we're all gathered here. It's the start of our trip to Spain. Meeting in the garage. Now we're heading down to Portsmouth, catch the ferry. Motorway most of the way, so we'll be keeping the camera off. Okay. Just arrived in Santander. About to disembark the ferry. Beautiful morning. 8 o'clock. We hope it stays like this for the rest of the holiday.
We left the ferry at 8 o'clock in the morning on our way to Santa Lana del Mar, as we couldn't get into the hotel till 3 o'clock, so we thought we'd take it a few sites before we got to the hotel.
So you got time getting out of here? Right, we're in Santa Lana del Mar, just looking for somewhere to eat. Pulled up at this hotel here, but can't get in, so we'll just pop down the road a little bit, see what they've got to offer. Huh? Aye. Ah, another one! I don't know where it is.
What was bringing that up? Very liquid.
Huh?
Very liquid.
Well, first morning, just had our breakfast, bacon and eggs, 2 cups of coffee. Very nice. We didn't see what Santa Lana del Mar had to offer like, but we'll head towards the coast now. Go along the coast for a bit.
After riding along the coast for a few miles, our first stop was Camillas, which was a lovely beach. It was red hot. We pulled in just to break the journey up a little bit, although it's not very far from the ferry port to the hotel. But as I say, we couldn't get in till 3 o'clock.
This is Camillas Beach, and it is red hot here. Quick stop here, and we'll be on our way. A bit further along the coast, then on to the hotel. Nearly missed a turn in there. Right, this is St Vincent della Barquera. Been here before. The other lads haven't got. Famous little bridge this.
I just thought I'd mention, I don't know why it's famous, I just call it famous. was only famous to me because I recognised it, because I'd been there before. This is the AS114 road from Panez to Cadney de Onus. Arenas is about halfway along this road, and it is a spectacular road going along the valley, and you've got to ride it to appreciate it. Time for me at this particular place, but it's the first time for Gary and Macca. The scenery is still outstanding, and I hope they appreciate this as much as I do, but time will tell.
Oh, 29 degrees here. Beautiful scenery, absolutely gorgeous, and we're probably only about 20 miles off the hotel. It's nice to be in the shade, to be fair.
Gary, we're only a couple of miles away from the hotel, but he wasn't to know that. Right, we've just entered Las Arenas now, round this bend here, and our hotel is on the left hand side, and we'll draw close to that, our first day, and we'll see you later.